Alright, hey guys, we have this vintage Holmes box fan. Tell my uncle's playing the piano in the background. Sorry about that. So I did clean it, but except the grill does have some dirty scuffs on it. But a little bit, but not that much. But so you can tell, look down there. Well, it does still have some dirty scuffs that won't come off. The blade is clean. So here it is. So let's start with low. I forgot to show you the back of it. Here's the back. As you can tell, one of the feet broke off. Here's the broken feet right here. Here's low. I don't want my dad throwing away any vintage box fans. Got to stay at the dump, so.
Okay. You don't really taste it though. That's okay. I somehow it's something about it.
Tested it in the garage. It's about low. It's a vintage one, but it does have the newer style logo. This probably is a Holmes Air. Maybe a 90s model, I don't know. I think I'm guessing it's a Holmes Air. Here's low, let's go to medium. Two shapes. Does use a vintage motor. Go medium, let's go to high. Moves a ton of air. Back of it. As you can tell, at once I had a frigid box fan, but I turned that into a drawing machine. My dad couldn't get the blade back on, but I'm strong enough now. But we couldn't find the screws to it, so I just get rid of it, which I was pretty sad when I got rid of it. Now, one time I found a Toastmaster, but that smelled like burning smoke. I found an Edison, but the cord snapped off. Found a, what other fan? A Galaxy, a Sears Galaxy box fan, but I no longer own that fan because it smells like burning smoke too. And the thermostat is broken. This thing moves a lot of air. Now it's being cleaned. This is why you get a vintage fan, because they last a long time. I hope, if you find one, hope it doesn't get your house to smell like burning smoke. Because I don't like it when it smells like burning smoke. I wonder what caused that problem. Here's off. Sorry you can't hear me from Leon playing the piano and the fan running on high, too. And that is it. That's the... I'll show you the back of it. Here's the back. That is it. That is a vintage Holmes box fan. If anyone knows the model number of this, please tell me. Thanks for watching.